Little Luxury Platinum Complete Under Sink Water Filtration System Installation Guide. Components and recommended tools list. Let's set up your Little Luxury Platinum Complete. This advanced water filtration system removes more than 99% of contaminants and impurities from your water, providing clean, fresh-tasting filtered water directly from your existing tap. Inside the box, you'll find all the components needed to get started. Before beginning the installation, turn off the cold water supply beneath your sink. Mounting the filtration system is optional. Should you wish to mount it inside your cupboard, use the drilling assist sticker provided to mark the correct position for the mounting screws. Next, remove the protective caps from the brass inlet and outlet connections on the filtration system. Disconnect the existing cold water hose from the cold water supply valve. Connect the existing tap hose to the outlet connection on the filtration system. Depending on your plumbing connections, you may need to use one of the converters provided. Apply the supplied Teflon tape to the threaded connections to help create a secure, watertight seal and prevent leaks. Now, connect one end of the supplied inlet hose to the water inlet connection on the filtration system. Connect the other end of the supplied inlet hose to the cold water supply valve. Remember to apply Teflon tape to the threaded connections where required. Once all the connections are secure, slowly turn the cold water supply back on. Carefully check each connection to ensure there are no leaks. Should you notice any water escaping, turn off the water supply and tighten the relevant connection. Before drinking the filtered water, open the cold water tap and allow the system to flush for approximately 2 minutes. This will remove any loose particles from the new filter. Your Little Luxury Platinum Complete Under Sink Water Filtration System is now ready to use. You can now enjoy clean, fresh-tasting filtered water directly from your existing kitchen tap. Thank you for choosing the Little Luxury Platinum Complete Under Sink Water Filtration System. Enjoy clean, great-tasting filtered water every day